Have a good day, folks. This is Used Axe in Seattle, Washington. And in front of me here is a Komatsu PC56. And this machine is super tight and clean. And it's made in 2017. And currently only have like about 1,000 hours on it. Also, this machine features brand new buckets, hydraulic quick coupler, progressive thumb, and most importantly, it has a separate loop for the auxiliaries hydraulic. It can control this loop and that thumb loop at the same time. So when you're connecting to some fancy attachment like a wood grabber, you want to rotate and grab at the same time. It does that. So that's behind the machines. Here is the engine compartment. So it has a turbocharged motor, so it's stronger compared with other different naturally aspiration motors. So all those fruits are recently replaced. This machine is ready to work. So let's hop on. Wow, Komatsu has a huge cab. I want to see that. Okay, see here, I'm like a 5'7", and my leg can do like this. So let's start it. It has 1,300 hours. Fire right on, and so responsive, and it's smooth. Easily lifts the vehicle like this. And also, obviously, AC and heater works fine. Yeah, this one is only $35,000. So really nice machines, nice looking, and a comfortable cab. That's what you got for Komatsu. It's a lot of machine for the price.